Alright, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel Trading New Buy, and today is gonna be day 27. Now let me explain you why I did not upload for day 25 and day 26. I happen to um, use Premiere Pro for my editing, and unfortunately because of using Premiere Pro I had faced a few issues. So the exporting was a pain, so the files got corrupt, and that was because my OBS recording hasn't been remuxed properly. Now if you don't know what I mean is just that the recordings got corrupted, and so I wasn't able to upload. But today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys every single trade which I've taken in the past 2 days. And unfortunately we're at a loss, but still it is at least not less than the money we had on the first day, which is $100. Now in TradingView, let me show you guys what actually happened. So let's go into account history. As you can see, there was a huge loss for me right around here. Right about here, $11.85 loss. And so because of that, I've gone really low, which is pretty sad. But yeah. Now today what we're gonna do is we would be looking at the trades which I've taken yesterday and also see if we can take a few trades today. So let's start off with this trade, the EUR USD trade. So this is really sad. I'd say like really sad, because I did take a trade right around here. So I expected the price to go up to this level, and so what I've done is I put my stop loss over there at the beginning, sorry, my take profit over there. So what I've done is I've put my take profit around here and my stop loss around there. So that is what I've done at the beginning. Actually, if I gonna zoom in, okay, so this is where I put my stop loss. So this was my initial setup for my trade, but then I was like, okay, I would partially close the trade when it reaches the peak, and then even if it goes down, I would maybe lose $1. If I'd win, I get $5 more. So I just hoped that the price would go even more up. So what I've done is I wanted to manually end the trade when the price reaches somewhere around there, which it did reach, in fact, right over here. But then unfortunately I wasn't aware of that. I didn't look at the chart. I was busy with something else, and the price just boom, hit all the way down. Now even though my analysis was really well done, I still kind of failed, and I lost a lot of money in the trade. Initially I had a $5 risk, and now it just increased straight up. Now, so that is it with this loss. And so for the other loss, the USD JPY, again, it was, let me show you real quick. So if I zoom, actually let me go to the 50 minutes time frame and kind of zoom out a lot. So this was the trade which I've lost. So if I reset the chart view, yeah, so I've taken a short position where, as you can see, I sold over here and bought over there. So something of that sort happened. I don't exactly remember, but yes, I did lose that trade as well. And again, I won this trade and I lost this trade, and that is it. And so as you can see, this is the, yeah, this was another trade which I've taken, which was really good in the AUD USD chart. And yeah, now as of now we are having 2 trades open which I've taken yesterday. The USD JPY chart, as you can see here, if I make it more appearable, so as you can see the price did hit this high, and so what I'm thinking of is I just end the trade over here. So let me just close the position, and yeah, we've taken the profits. And here we do have AUD USD, which is kind of going up and down. So this is actually the first long time trade I've taken. So what I've done is I've analyzed the daily time frame and took a trade, because I was almost certainly sure that the price would end up coming up. So yeah, so what happened was I did look at the long term, the daily time frame, and then I was like, okay, this is going bearish in trend, and there is like this huge zone. Let me show you guys real quick. So as you can see, there is this zone where it just touched off that zone every single time, and this is the only exception where it went much more lower. That was the lowest of the whole chart, I'd say. So yeah, well, the price kept hitting that level and coming up, and so I thought, okay, the price would surely go higher. So I've taken a trade. As you can see, my stop loss is much below this point which it previously hit, or even yeah, below this point as well, which almost it did like kind of just squeeze through the, almost touched the zone, and it kind of went up. So yeah, this was a long time trade which I've taken, and yeah, hopefully it turned out good. Anyways, this is a trade which I'm going to leave for here about a long time now, so I'm just going to leave the trade here for like really long time. And yeah, well, about the microphone, my quality of voice, I did buy a new microphone. um, I got the DJI Mic Mini. It is not just for this channel, it's for my motorcycle vlogging, all that kind of stuff as well. Again, more of that, you can go into the description box and read what I'll be putting up there about my other channel. Anyways, this is about the trade which we've already taken, and so today we're gonna do some more analysis in the EUR USD chart and try to take a nice trade. So actually, I've done a lot of analysis yesterday, and I reckon that the price would, this is like the lowest, all right? So the price would just bounce off that every single time. And so as you can see, it is indeed bouncing off. The last time it did go a lot inside, like into the zone, but now it didn't. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wait for the price to, what I'd expect is it just do that again, hopefully. Let's go into the 5 minutes time frame and see what's actually happening. If I reset the chart view, as you can see, it is consolidating over here, so it's just, you know, it's just doing that. So it's doing that kind of stuff. You go to the 1 minute time frame. As you can see, it is still consolidating with this huge candle over there, which might mean something important. So the price did go up all the way. All right, let me reset the chart view. Yeah, so the price potentially, oh, okay, so never mind. This was the first bar after yesterday, I think. Was it? Okay, so actually after here, the price was here. All right, I seem to not clearly understand what that is. But, yeah, well, that is about the graph. I'm not going to take a trade no matter what in this chart as of now. Not because I've made a loss yesterday, it's because it is pretty unpredictable. Let's go into the EUR JPY chart. Let's go into reset chart view and kind of see what's really happening. Alright, so seems like the price would be going up at least to this level. So I should have taken the trade around there. But yes, anyways, well, in the USD JPY chart, which we've already closed. Oh my god, look at that. I've just ended the trade and I'm so done, dude. I'm so done. Look at this, dude. I've ended the trade here and the price just spiked up. No way, bro. That's so insanely sad. I could have easily taken about $7 right there. Okay, that's probably the saddest thing that has ever happened to us. That is why maybe I should wait for my trades to do well. Those are some huge candles. Anyways, as of now, I don't see any good opportunity to actually take a trade in. But what I'm gonna do is I would go get my breakfast and come back and do some more analysis and see if there's any possible positions where I can take a trade in. And also because of the corruption of that files when I was exporting to upload in YouTube of the day 25 to 26, the Premiere Pro, if you don't know, is a really good software for video editing. It is industrially used, but I don't have the paid version. I do use the cracked version because I can't pay for it. It's really pricey, and on top of that, I'm a student, so it's pretty insane if I get that whole subscription. But anyways, so with that, I wasn't able to use the software that much, and because of that, it gave me some exporting issues, and I figured I'd just use DaVinci Resolve instead. Now, this is another software which is pretty good as well, so I used DaVinci Resolve instead of that, and yeah, here we are. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and hopefully we can take a few trades right after I come back. So be right back. that's it, guys, for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And until then, stay safe, keep trading. Let's get profitable together. Bye bye.